Hello, this is your boy Miguel's mobilemechanic 757. You know, I get down and I get straight to the point. I have a wonderful customer who needed a diagnostic on their Cadillac. Cadillac would not move or shift properly. Customer said they went to Valvoline and had their transmission fluid changed. Unfortunately, I made many videos, including what happened to me a couple weeks ago. You cannot change transmission fluid on a vehicle that's over 100,000 miles. Once you start doing that, unless you kept up with the changes according to the manufacturer's specs, you will lose your transmission. I pulled out the transmission dipstick for the customer. It is burnt. You can smell it. I mean, from this distance that I'm at right now, I can literally smell how burnt this is. It was making a whiny noise. The pump was just screaming extremely loud. A couple weeks ago, AMCO was worked on my vehicle. I'm sorry, in August, AMCO worked on my vehicle and they couldn't get the transmission fluid from stop leaking, and it wasn't even the current issue. The current issue was a flex plate. Well, they put it leaked 3 times. Every time I went to go pick it up, they flushed out all the old transmission, and my transmission is completely history. So I live in this nightmare too. So with that being said, if you have a vehicle that's over 100,000 miles, it's best just to let the transmission fluid stay in. If the transmission is starting to act up, just go ahead and drive it till the wheels fall off, or take it to a transmission shop. Unfortunately, this happens all the time. I'm going to repeat this again. Any vehicles over 100,000 miles, do not change the transmission fluid. If you decide to change the transmission fluid, you're playing Russian roulette and gambling. I'm not a gambler. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. If you want to use some of the tools or get some of the tools that I use in all my videos, just go to the video description and you can go to my store and buy this diagnostic machine and anything else that I use. If you found any value to this video, any shape or way, hit that super thanks button. We take the super thanks money and we turn around and we put it into an account to help those who are unfortunate. Thank you.